this is the time of year when we use a lot of apples. So let me show you, from my experience, what the quickest way to peel an apple is. Grab the apple peeler, start at the top, and go make a small circle around the core, and then do the same at the bottom. And then, instead of going in circles, cut vertical strips. Oops, all around the circumference of the apple, like this. Voila, you've peeled your apple, and then, if you're making a pie or whatever, just quarter it, pare it, remove the core, and you are ready to